In this video, I'll show you how to reactivate a ChatGPT account, what kind of account issue you actually have, and the correct fix based on whether your account was deleted, deactivated, or just having login problems. First, here's the most important thing to understand. Not every account can be reactivated the same way. OpenAI's Help Center says deleted accounts cannot be reactivated. If you deleted your ChatGPT account yourself, OpenAI says you need to wait 30 days and then sign up again with the same email address if you want to create a new account. Help.openai.com. So if your account was deleted by you, the fix is not to look for a restore button. According to OpenAI, the account cannot be brought back. But after the 30-day period, you can create a brand new account using that same email. OpenAI repeats that deleted accounts cannot be reactivated in its account deletion guide. Help.openai.com. Now, if your account was deactivated by OpenAI, that's different. OpenAI says if you believe the deactivation was a mistake, you should use the appeal link in the email notification you received. If you can't access that email, OpenAI says you can file an appeal using its official appeal form, help.openai.com. There's also a special case for age verification. OpenAI says if your account was deactivated because you didn't complete age verification in time, you should contact support so they can help you finish the process and get the account unblocked. OpenAI also says successful ID review usually takes a few hours, and if the account is still deactivated after that, you should contact support again. Help.openai.com. Another possibility is that your account is not actually deactivated at all. You may just be unable to log in. OpenAI's login troubleshooting says this can happen if you use the wrong sign-in method, like trying a password when you originally signed up with Google, Apple, or Microsoft. OpenAI also recommends clearing cache and cookies, trying incognito mode, switching browsers or devices, disabling VPNs, and trying a different network. Help.openai.com. If you see a message saying your account has been deleted or deactivated, OpenAI says to check your inbox, including spam or junk, for a message explaining what happened. That email can tell you whether the account was deleted by you or deactivated by OpenAI, which matters because the next step is different for each case. Help.openai.com. So the right way to reactivate a ChatGPT account depends on the cause. Deleted accounts cannot be restored. Deactivated accounts may need an appeal. Age verification blocks may need support help, and login issues may only require using the correct sign-in method and basic troubleshooting. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.